Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video we are going to learn about spread and rest operator in JavaScript. So this is another really good JavaScript interview question, and whenever you are applying for any front-end development role, and you might have already heard about this question, like what is spread operator and rest operator, and what is the difference between the spread operator and the rest operator, right? So we will clear your doubts, like what is spread operator and what exactly is the rest operator. So both spread and rest operator, if you see the syntax wise, both looks exactly similar. Both are just these just three dots, right? But when you write a spread operator, it works on iterables, like it works on arrays or object. And what it does is, like suppose we have an object, right? We have a const array1. So we have an array, and inside this array we are just going to pass some value. Okay, I'm just passing some integer. Now what we want to do is, like we want another array which is going to be array 2, and we want to copy all the value from array 1 to array 2. Okay, so what we can do is, like we can just have a array, and we just do array 1. Okay, and now if you just let me just clear my console, and if you just console.log array 2. Okay, you will have to see, like we have all this element inside the array 1. We are not logging the array 1 over here, but we have the value for the array 2. So this basically copies, you can say, like you can copy one array to other by using the spread operator. And one more interesting thing that you can see, like if I want to change the value of array 1, let's just change the value of array 1, index 1. I hope you are aware of how to, like to change the value of a certain element of an array. Okay, so what we're going to do is, like I'm selecting the 0 array 0, and putting it some other value, like let's just put 999. Okay, so now what you will have to see, like oh sorry, I'm not able to see. Let me just refresh it again. Okay, now you will have to see, like we are getting the 999 over here. And what if we change the value of the array 2 to array 1? Okay, so let's just change the value of 0 to, we just have 888. So basically we are having the value of array 2 changed to 888 instead of 1. And over here, if we just console log array 1, and let's just have array 1 over here. Okay, so basically this is the array 1. We just have all those values over here, and this is the array 2. So basically if I change the value of array 2, this is not changing the value of array 1 as well, right? So array 1 is having different value, and array 2 is having the different value. So you can say, like it creates a deep copy, and like we are having all this element inside the array 1 to array 2. Now what we can do is, like using the spread operator, we can also have some other array, and we can combine those two array 2. Like let's just have one more array 3, and inside this array let's just put some other some string, like hello and world. Okay, and what if we just want to put this value from array 3 to array 2? All we need to do is, like let's just have array 3, and this will work completely fine. We are having all the values So basically using the spread operator, we can combine the array as well, and we can copy it. So yeah. And if you have any doubt about the shallow copy or deep copy, the term that I have used over here, I have a video on this, so I will put the link in the description below. Please go through that. You will get a clear understanding of that one as well. And yeah, so this is how the spread operator works. So there are certain other properties all as well, like which can help. Like we can also use the spread operator for the objects as well. Like if we have some object like const, let me just comment this out, all of this, and let's have an object. Let's call it object one. Okay, and we just have John, and let's just have some number instead of string. Let's just have, we could have a string as well. That will work completely fine, but I just wanted to do it this way. And let's just have some other number. And if we just want to like copy this to some to a different object, like let's just have object 2, and so this way if we just put object 1, and we just console log object 2. Let me just clear the console first, and if we just go to console log and object 2, and here you will have to see like we are getting the value of object 1 inside this object 2. So this is doing the partial deep copy. So now yeah, we are having this value. So this is how we can use our spread operator. Okay, and so now we'll look into the rest operator as well. So if we just go to the rest operator, so now if we just comment this out, this all, let's just comment this all, and we are going to have a rest operator now. So let's just console log. There's no need of doing this. I'm just okay. So what we're going to do is like you might have already seen the rest operator somewhere already, or if you haven't, let's look into this. Let's have, suppose we have a function, right? And we have a function, let's just call it my func. Okay, and inside that we are having some values like some argument, like we are going to have a and b. Okay, so basically this function is expecting two values, a and b, as of now. And we can do something like this, like it's a rest many other many other arguments. Okay, so this is how this is how we use our rest operator. And basically if you just do it in a different way, like if you try to use it somewhere, so like what this function will do, like if we just try to console this log, like let's console a b and all the rest of many other arguments that we can have. Okay, so let's just console log, and first of all let's just pass some value. Let's just pass 2 3 4, and similarly we can just pass any amount, any number of values over here and arguments in this function, and this will all get printed out. Okay, so the thing we have over here, this spread operator, so basically this what this is doing is we are having this 87 88. So basically all those values that we are getting inside this many other arguments, we're just getting inside this and in an array. Okay, yeah, so this is how we can use the rest operator. And if you just go further, like how will we use this argument array in our function, right? So suppose we have some functions, like if you just have a function like let's just do sum. Let's just have a function sum, and what this is going to do is like a plus b. Okay, and return a plus b. So what we can use it for, like if suppose we don't have any other argument over here. Okay, we're just going to have many other arguments, and instead of this console log, what we're going to do is like we just if we just console log the many other other arguments, we are going to have 3 and 4 in an array. Okay, so how we are going to use this array is just by using sum, and we can use the apply method, and we just pass this, and then we can just have many other arguments. Okay, so this will work, this should work completely fine if we just try to console log, or you just need to return it, and then we need to console log over here. Okay, so we are getting the value 7, which is the sum of these two value. So if you haven't heard about the apply, bind, and call method, yeah, I will suggest you to go through some of the tutorials on YouTube, or you could search it on Google how to use it. This is another a good question that interviewer prefer to. I mean, they like to ask this, what is the use of call, apply, and bind method. So I would suggest you to go through that and learn it. And this is how we use the rest operator. So basically, if you in short, what we do is like if we have a spread operator, we try to open everything, like we are using a spread operator over here, and we just try to open all this value and put it inside this another array. So we try to open it, right? And when we try to use the rest operator, we are trying to concise it, like put it inside an array, and then work on this. So this is what rest and spread operator is. So this is it for this video. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and there is going to be many more videos coming soon. So thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe. Thank you.